Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. In today's episode we are going to deal with sections in Officer Library. So what sections actually are? Imagine something like newspapers articles. Let's say that you would like for your text to be arranged in columns or to be arranged in some other way than usual. Let's say that you would like to operate with page size, margins and things like that. So first of all, I'm going to teach you how to arrange your text in columns. So for that, we are going to need a block section. We are going to call it 1. And to this function, we are going to provide function prop section stands for section properties. First argument is going to be page size. And for now we are just going to provide this optional argument. This optional argument could hold two values, portrait or a landscape, and we are going to go with portrait for now. Second argument is going to be type. With this argument you could decide in what way to arrange your text when that text exceeds the section limits. So with option continuous, whenever we finish with one column, we are going to start with another one. And third argument, it's section columns. Section columns. With this optional argument, we are going to decide two things. We are going to decide number of our columns, and we are going to decide actual width of our columns. How to do that? We are going to provide collection, and number of elements in this collection is going to decide number of columns, and actual value is going to decide width. So we are going to have first column with 1.5 inches, second one is going to be 3 inches, and third one is going to be 1.5. So this would be all about block section properties, and now we are going to end this block section. And what this actually means, every content up to ending block section is going to be part of that block section. So if we end this now, entire content of our Word docx, and that is document from our previous episode, it's going to be arranged with this block section system. So let's test this now. First argument is going to be actual document, and second one is going to be value, and we are going to provide this block section to it. And now if we run this code, I probably have some typo in here. Yeah, I'm going to run it again. Now everything is fine. You see, our text from previous episode has been arranged with this column system. And what I want to do now, let me show you. I would like to add another paragraph just in order to fill this page. And how I'm going to do that? With function paste, and then with function repeat. Text is going to be hey, and I want that text to be repeated, let's say 500 times, and text is going to be separated by dot, let's say. And finally, style equals to normal. I'm going to run this code. So what's wrong now? Oh yeah, I have one bracket extra. Now everything is fine. Let me check what we have in here. Okay. Now you have better picture about these sections. And what if you would like to use this section system in order to deal with page size, margins, or text positions? Let me show you how to do that. Now I'm going to delete this. We don't need this part anymore. And we are going to make some changes in here. And now I'm going to change page size. Let's say width is going to be like 6 inches, and height it's going to be, let's say, 12 inches. And type it's not going to be continuous, so we are going to go with next page. So whenever we fill this section, new page is going to accept additional content. And now I'm going to deal with page margins. Let's say bottom margin is going to be 1.5, top 2, everything looks well. If we run this code, okay, typo again. Yeah, I forgot T. Now everything is fine. Let us see. You see? In this way you could manipulate position of text on your screen. And I want to show you another thing. What if you use negative numbers? Is that possible? Yes, of course it is. I'm going to set margin left to -1, and I'm going to run this code. And now I'm going to show you how that looks like. Yeah. So this would be all for this episode. If you are satisfied with this content, please subscribe and see ya!